So sometimes I get this question, should I go more vegan or should I be a carnivore? And I just want to talk about that in this video. I personally believe you should be right in the middle, a combination of plants and animal products. So there were several archaeologists who found some interesting things at a site that provided primary direct evidence for what humans ate 780,000 years ago. And they found that they ate a combination of plants and animals. And of course, in other parts of the world, people ate differently. They pretty much ate what they can get, whether it was insects or milk from a cow or fat from seals if they lived in other environments. So based on this article, they found that these humans consumed a large range of plants, thistle seed, water lilies, acorns, water chestnuts, olives, even some fruit. But the fruit back then was very different than it is now. It was not nearly as sweet, and it was seasonal as well. But on the other hand, they found that these humans also consumed elephant brains and whole animals and insects as well. And the other point I want to bring out is a lot of animals can make their own vitamin C. We cannot. Okay, so we are dependent on vitamin C from food. So vitamin C obviously comes from plants, just indicating, yes, we need plants in our diet for sure. The other point I want to bring up is if we look at our digestive tract, we start with the stomach. Okay, if we compare our stomach to a cow's stomach, it's very different. The pH is very, very different. The pH in a human stomach is between 1 and 3, designed primarily for dense protein. Okay, whereas a cow's stomach, and they have 4, have a pH of 5.7 to 7.3. So it's close to being either slightly acidic or slightly basic. So a cow's stomach is just not designed to digest dense protein. It was designed to ferment plant fiber, okay? Now, we also happen to have a large colon with a pH around 5.5, 5 to 7, which is designed to ferment plant fiber as well. So you can see the combination of this stomach, very acidic, and the large colon, and you can see it was designed to digest meat and ferment fiber at the same time. And the small intestine was not designed to ferment fiber. It was to help you digest fats and the protein. So it's obvious if you look at the structure and function of our digestive system that we need both animal and plant type foods. Then we have B12. B12 mainly comes from animal products, indicating, yes, we need to consume animal products. And we also need omega-3 fatty acids, primarily DHA and also EPA, which come from fish primarily. Now, there is an omega-3 fatty acid, ALA, that does convert to DHA, but not very well. So based on this data and the necessity of having DHA, especially in our brain and our nervous system, we were not designed to exclusively use this type of omega-3 fatty acid, which usually comes from flax oil and things like walnuts, things like that. So in summary, at the end of the day, we want to consume foods to satisfy our nutritional requirements. And that's why a balance of both animal products and plant, I think, are a good combination. And if you want more information, check out the link down below.